Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to register on the Roblox app for creating and playing games. Roblox is an online game platform and game creation system developed by Roblox Corporation that allows users to program and play games created by themselves or other users. The Roblox app is available in both the Android and Apple stores. This video shows a basic registration in Roblox app and how to enable voice chat or chat box in Roblox app. Let's start. Log into Roblox website and fill the form. Enter your birth date and create a username. Then sign in to access the Roblox homepage. Here it is. To enable the chat box and messages, first you must verify your email address and then finish the account setup. Click on Add Email button and enter your email ID provided at the time of signing in. Then click Continue. Check your email inbox and verify it. Now the email verification is successfully completed. Now here you can see the Unlock Chat option. Click on that button. Now need to complete the user verification and age verification process. Let's turn on your camera. Click Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Follow the instructions one by one to complete the age verification. If you are using smartphone, then use the front cam, or in laptop or PC, use your webcam to complete the verification process. After completing the verification, now the chat box is enabled. Lots of online games are available in Roblox platform. If you want to play any games, then you need to install Roblox Studio. Open any game from the list and click the play button. Just install the Roblox Studio software and wait for the installation process. Then open Roblox Studio and sign in with your user ID and password, which you created just before. After signing in, click the play button to launch the game. That's it. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.